The RUF CTR Yellowbird, a name that sends shivers down the spines of car enthusiasts. A machine so fast, so raw, it redefined what a Porsche-based supercar could be. But what if we told you there was one that's even more rare, more unique, more legendary? This is the story of the one and only RUF CTR Slantnose. To understand this ultra-rare CTR Slantnose, we need to go back to where it all started, the original Yellowbird. In 1987, Road and Track magazine held a top-speed shootout to find the fastest car in the world. Among Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Porsche's own 959, a small German manufacturer, RUF, stole the show. Their 469 horsepower CTR hit 213 miles an hour, making it the fastest road car on the planet. RUF didn't just modify Porsches, they re-engineered them. The CTR used a lightweight 911 Carrera 3.2 body, a twin turbocharged flat 6, and a unique 5-speed gearbox that helped it dominate the competition. But of the 29 CTRs that were built, only one of those broke all the rules. After the overwhelming initial success of the Yellowbird, a passionate Japanese RUF customer wanted something truly one of a kind. A one-off CTR Slantnose, inspired by the original 930 Turbo Slantnose. Slantnose Porsches were already rare, but no one had ever attempted this conversion on a CTR. Why? Because it wasn't just cosmetic. Removing the classic round headlights meant losing airflow to the oil cooler, which is crucial at high speeds. Initially, RUF's Japanese importer, Ashita Engineering, outright refused the order. They feared that modifying the front end would compromise high-speed stability and cooling. But after months of persuasion by the customer, RUF relented and built the very car you see behind me. Building a one-off CTR Slantnose required more than just swapping parts. RUF engineer Josef Hofer personally designed a completely new retractable headlight system. Unlike Porsche's standard Slantnose design, this setup stored the motor in the right fender and used a linkage system to operate both lights simultaneously. The next challenge was cooling. Since the standard CTR's oil cooler placement wouldn't work, RUF relocated it and added additional ducting to ensure proper airflow at high speeds. Inside, the owner specified a fully custom buffalo leather interior finished in gray. The exterior is finished in Nachtblau, which translates to night blue in English. This car was delivered to Japan in late 1991, and its first major road test happened in Hakone, where journalists confirmed it had lost none of the standard CTR's raw performance. Since then, it had been meticulously preserved, making rare appearances at select events. Today, RUF continues to build high-performance machines, but the original CTR remains the most legendary creation. And among these, the Slantnose CTR stands alone. It's the only one ever built, a true one-of-one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the rarest Porsches ever built, be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's your favorite RUF creation? Until next time, keep chasing speed.